These are the dashboard fascia panels for a Jaguar E-Type. These are applicable to a Series 3 left-hand drive, and it's got air conditioning and it's a manual. What difference that makes. So you get 3 main panels. You get the passenger side, which has the Glovebox lid situated, as you can see. You then have the central one with all the dial holes in them, and this is where the switch plinth goes. Then you have the driver's side, which obviously has the speedo, etc. on it. These are always in black, and it's covered in a sort of plastic style material, sometimes confused with leather cloth or vinyl, but it's not actually. You can tell by the backing here, it's got very smooth plastic backing on it. Then it has this grain indented into it here, and this piece here, which is just crudely stuck on there to go around the corner, that is leather cloth. You can tell by the backing. But this here is an unsupported plastic effectively. What we offer as a retrim kit is a PVC, which, as you can see, the grain on it is extremely close to that crinkle finish that you get on the E-Type. So just bear that in mind. We've searched long and hard to make sure that it matches up as best we can. So you can see these are trimmed all the way round. They're then cut flush to the edges here. As you can see, I can peel it back ever so slightly. Same again on here, it's all cut flush to the edge. A bit more work on the Glovebox and Glovebox lid. You can see the old Glovebox here, riveted on at the top here, with the sides creased over, but not necessarily reaching the edges as when it's all in place in the car. There we are. You can't see, and it's flocked on the inside. You can see the old rivets showing through, etc. And it has all the plate information on the inside here. Again, around the corners, but then cut to the edges. And again, on this outside edge here, they put these sort of leather cloth so that as it goes around the corner on the side of the car, there's no bodywork showing on it. So we're going to be retrimming these for our customer.